but at least over there.
What's up, guys? We're riding with Clutch Seat and we're sliding, baby. Let's go!
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, Clutch Seat. Hey, man, today we're just going to slide over to a friend's house. He has a motorcycle he want to sell. He want me to help put the word out. So come on, ride with me. And hopefully I don't come back home with the motorcycle myself. Check it out. Baby. Boy, look at Mia. This is Mia, y'all. And her handler, Jose. She finna roll. You know, she's secured. Don't worry about it. She's secured. She been riding like this for a while, so she good. For you dog lovers, I'm a dog lover myself, so hey. But ain't she so cool though? Look at that. Look.
She's ready to go. She just wants to go.
She cool. She ready to go. What's up, man?
What's going on, man? You doing all right?
Yeah, man.
This is sweet, man.
Oh, man, thank you. Me and Ray go back a long ways, man.
Man, oh, man.
Long ways.
Yeah. Oh, this is clean, dude. How do you ride in Houston, man?
I don't have a problem with it.
You don't have a problem.
You get older, it gets scary.
You know how to turn it on?
Key in it?
No key in it, but it'll start.
Really? You got a magic bike, huh? Somebody's store. Man, that joke sound good, man.
I just, if I get another one, man, it's gonna be like a 500 or something small.
When the last time you really took her out?
Man, I would get it on. I got it one time on I-10. Yeah, and I didn't like the feeling, and then stopped ridden it. But like I said, my arm goes to sleep, my hand goes to sleep. Man, I could have got a super glide, man.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. It's nice and loud, but
Oh, it sounds amazing, man.
you hear it coming. It'll set off alarms.
Them Harleys, I got my Kawasaki. It sound all right. It ain't got the sound I want. I want to put some different slip-ons on it to get better sound.
That's a Sportster, right?
Yeah, it's just sports.
Yeah, the 48.
See, that's a lot smaller than this one.
So
That's
this-
probably the ideal size, man. This is a straight-up cruiser, man.
Huh?
This is a cruiser.
Oh, I love it. It's Cadillac, man. Shit, it's Cadillac.
How long have you had it?
3 years.
What year is it?
09.
Oh,
Mm-hmm. It had 3,000 miles when I bought it.
God, dog.
I think I got over almost 15 on it now.
Really?
I've been riding it, man. I ride with a couple other older guys at Harleys. They be rolling, man.
Doing 70, 80 miles an hour?
I mean, on the freeway I'll do that, but you know, we don't drive crazy, man. It's not about the craziness.
No.
Yeah, that's not what it's about.
No.
It's not about the craziness, man.
Not at all, man.
It's just, you know, we just want to cruise, and that's what I do. I had bags just like yours on here that came with it, the originals. I took them out and put them Harley bags on.
Where'd you get those at?
I bought these Harley bags.
Huh?
The Harley bags?
Yeah.
Yeah, I bought them on Amazon.
Looks good out there.
And I don't know, people, you can't make that no Harley. I ain't trying to make it no Harley. I just wanted Harley bad.
Yeah, what's wrong with that, man? Yeah, I just got persuaded into buying it, man. It's like, oh yeah, man, you can pick up chicks with it. It's like all that. I gotta get rid of it, man. Yeah, I like the style of it and everything, man, but it's like, man, I don't like riding in Houston.
Yeah, it's dangerous, man. I mean, I don't know. I waited till I was 60 years old to get a bike.
Well, same here, man. Same here. How often do you go riding, man?
Every time I get a chance, man. We try to ride every weekend. I know how to let off on it a little bit, but it came with a what you call them things, throttle locks.
Yeah.
My son told me, you know, because he ride motorcycles. My son said, man, take that off. So I never use it. He told
Why?
me,
They just get you in trouble?
they get stuck. They'll get stuck and you can't get them jokers out.
Yeah.
And I say, long as God give me help and I can ride it, I'm gonna ride it.
You got a love for it, man. I don't. I don't know if I'd be able to ride the other one either, you know?
So go get you a trike, man. Get you a three-wheeler, man. We'll let you ride with us, man. We'll let you ride with us on the three-wheeler.
Man.
We'll let you ride, man.
Well, man, if you find somebody who wants to buy it.
Yeah, that's why I videoed it, and you know, I did that so because I know a couple of people who talking about. I mean, I guess you got to be a little bit crazy to ride, but I guess I'm that. So. And it's not for everybody.
No.
It's not for everybody, and I don't try.
I feel more comfortable on four wheels.
I don't.
And I think a lot of it has to do with Houston, man.
If I had the cash, you wouldn't even see this in your lot no more.
Man.
So good. Boom.
Yeah. And that's what I liked about it initially.
Right.
Is that, oh, you're going to hear that bike coming down the road, man.
Well, I don't believe in loud pipes save lives. I don't believe that. You better be watching.
Oh yeah.
All I know is loud pipes make me happy, and I'm alright with that.
I like the sound. I just see a lot of the Harley guys now are going to Gold Wing. Cause that new 2025 Gold Wing look nice, but they so quiet. That's quietness. You know, as they get older, they don't want the noise anymore.
Yeah, no, they're comfy couch cruisers. They're really couches on wheels. Those Gold Wings.
The people that buy Gold Wings, they don't want the noise anymore. Matter of fact, they got the DCT.
Yeah.
It's automatic.
Yeah.
No clutch. It's automatic.
Yeah, but when you're on a motorcycle, man, you want to be hitting gears, right?
That's pretty much why I've ended up buying a motorcycle.
Well, both things. I want to hit the gears and I want to hear it.
Yeah.
Like yours, I love the way that sounds.
Yeah.
I almost want to give up mine and get that, man. Ooh, look at him. Let me get out of here, man.
I hope somebody gets it, man, because...
Oh, somebody going to get it, Ray. I'm going to put the word out. It's a good price.
Yeah.
It's low mileage. I know the guy who owned it. He took care of it, so if you want to get it, you got 2 hammers to go with it. Yeah, man, but somebody going to enjoy that bike, man.
I hope so, man. I thought it was gonna be me, but no. Help me get rid of it, man. Curly.
All right, Ray. Appreciate you, man. I just wanted to come hang out with you and see the fight.
Yeah, man.
I know you had sent me pictures of it, so.
I'm gonna put it in the
Oh,
garage.
matter of fact, I'm just gonna take new pictures just in case, cause I got them some. All right, man, that's gonna do it. Hey, you see what it is. It's a nice motorcycle, 2007 Fat Boy with 25,000 miles. You saw the price. Hey, man, it's a really good deal. So if you or anybody you know need a motorcycle, hey, just hit me up. Later.